world's largest source of recycled steel doesn't come from mines. Can you guess where it begins? From the auto recycling industry, often called the car's second gateway, which delivers a massive stream of steel to the global market every year. In the United States alone, more than 12 million vehicles are dismantled and recycled annually, turning scrapyards into some of the most efficient steel mines humanity has ever created. Each car, once thought to have reached the end of its life, embarks on a new journey. In this video, we'll witness how old cars are transformed into the raw foundation for construction, industry, and even the next generation of automobiles. Recycling recovers not only the glass, but also the PVB, which is reused in soundproofing materials and industrial coatings. Then the doors are removed, a seemingly simple part that actually combines multiple materials. The steel or aluminum frames are cut away for remelting, while the electric motors for window controls, locking systems, and wiring inside are stripped separately to recover copper, plastics, and magnets. The interior follows with seats, dashboards, and carpets carefully dismantled and sorted. Wiring is often stripped to retrieve copper, while plastics and fabrics are shredded and repurposed into new materials. Finally, the engine and transmission, the heaviest and most valuable mechanical assemblies, are removed. Some are refurbished for resale, while others are broken down further to extract aluminum, steel, copper, and even precious metals from catalytic converters. This systematic sequence of dismantling maximizes the remaining value of each component, while also ensuring that the next step, crushing the vehicle's frame, can proceed safely. To sheer mechanical power, the car's frame is quickly stripped clean of unwanted parts, far faster than manual disassembly. This cleaning step acts as a coarse filter for the entire line, eliminating materials that could ignite, contaminate the recovered metal, or damage the crusher itself. After only a few minutes under the hydraulic shear, the vehicle structure is reduced to a neat steel and aluminum shell, ready for compaction with maximum efficiency and safety. Once the vehicle has been stripped clean, its bare steel frame is sent into a massive hydraulic press. Under crushing forces of 150 to 200 tons, a structure more than 4 meters long is compressed into a compact block of metal, its volume reduced to just a tenth of the original. Depending on the technology, this process can be carried out on different types of machines, each designed with a specific purpose. With a car baler, the frame is compressed into a dense cube-shaped steel bale. These high-density blocks are easy to stack, store, and transport. Modern industrial balers can handle 25 to 40 cars per hour, making them ideal for large-scale facilities that need efficient storage before shredding. The car flattener, on the other hand, is popular in mid-sized or smaller scrapyards. It compresses vehicles into flat sheets only a few dozen centimeters thick. Its advantages are speed, lower energy use, and lower investment costs. Different methods, but all share the same goal: transforming a bulky car into uniform metal, ready for its next life. Once the car's frame has been compacted, the dense steel bales are fed into a high-capacity shredder, the mechanical heart of the entire line. Inside its chamber, massive steel shafts with interlocking teeth rotate in opposite directions, tearing the compressed block apart within seconds. The thunderous clash of metal fills the air, and in an instant, a metal's ready to re-enter the cycle of production. What was once an old car frame has now been compacted, shredded, sorted, and bundled into standard steel bale, and gradually cooled along the length of the line. From this process, long billets stretching tens of meters take shape, square billets for construction steel, and flat slabs destined for rolling into sheets or coils. Automated thermal saws cut them into steel. The moment they leave the reheating furnace, glowing red steel billets surge into the hot rolling mill, where dozens of massive rollers continuously press, stretch, and bend them into new shapes. With every pass, the steel flattens and lengthens, evolving from a heavy, rough block into uniform sheets or coils. High-speed cameras and laser sensors monitor each millisecond, measuring thickness and straightness with precision to ensure every strip meets the standard directly on the line. The process feels like sculpting muscle into metal, both powerful and precise. Freshly rolled steel cannot be sent out and measured tensile strength. Only those that pass are stamped and stored. From fiery brilliance to stable strength, steel emerges ready to serve hundreds of modern industries. From an old, seemingly useless car, the recycling journey unlocks an entirely new life cycle. It begins with dismantling every... Have you ever thought that the car you drive today might one day become the steel for a building, a bridge, or even another car? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to The Factory to uncover more fascinating industrial stories that keep our world in motion. Immediately channeled through steel troughs into the continuous casting line, a blazing stream of liquid metal flows into water-cooled molds, solidifying within seconds to form a hardened shell. Inside, the steel core remains molten, carried forward by rollers,